Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through downloading Planet Coaster on your PC. But before we continue, check the description for links to gaming mouse and keyboard options if you're interested. Now, let's get started. First, make sure you have Steam installed on your computer. Steam is a well-known platform where you can find and play many games. If you haven't installed it yet, visit the official Steam website. In the top right, click Install Steam and follow the steps to set it up. Once Steam is installed, open it. If you don't already have a Steam account, click Create a free account and fill in the required details like your email and password. Once you've logged in, head to the search bar at the top right and type in Planet Coaster. The game should appear in the search results. Click on its title to open the store page. To purchase the game, click the green Add to Cart button. After completing the purchase, go to your Library tab, where you'll find Planet Coaster. Click on it and hit the Install button. A window will pop up asking where to install the game. Choose your desired location and click Next. The download will begin automatically. Once the download finishes, a play button will appear in your library. Click it to launch Planet Coaster. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Bye-bye.